Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best massage chair consumer reports that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Nantype 3-pin massage chair remote control. While not a massage chair itself, this product is essential for anyone looking to upgrade their existing recliner or massage chair with advanced functionality. With 8 massage modes and 5 intensity levels, this remote provides excellent control over your massage experience. You can select specific body parts to target, adjust the intensity, and set timers for either 15 or 30 minutes, ensuring flexibility and convenience. The design is straightforward yet effective. Compact and lightweight, the remote is built with user-friendly buttons that make it easy to switch between different modes. The package includes a plug-and-wire harness, allowing seamless integration with most compatible chairs. However, it's crucial to check compatibility with your existing setup before purchasing. And set timers for either 15 or 30 minutes, ensuring flexibility and convenience. This product is ideal for those who already own a recliner or massage chair but want to enhance its functionality without investing in a new unit. Its performance is reliable, but its niche application limits its versatility compared to standalone massage chairs. Overall, this is a great accessory for those looking to customize their relaxation experience, though it's not a complete solution in itself. At number 4, we have the COMFIER back massager with heat. This massage chair pad is a fantastic option for anyone looking to transform their regular chair into a relaxation haven. One of its standout features is the adjustable lumbar support, which uses a unique gas bag system to adapt to your body shape, ensuring stable support and comfort during extended sitting sessions. Equipped with 10 vibration motors, it provides synchronized relaxation for your back and hips. The dual-zone heating system offers precise temperature control, making it perfect for relieving tight muscles and discomfort after long hours of work or sitting. The pad is lightweight and portable, so you can use it at home, in the office, or even on the go. The plush fabric adds a touch of luxury, making this product an excellent gift for loved ones. However, it's worth noting that this is a vibration-based massager, rather than a deep-tissue Shiatsu-style chair. While it's excellent for light relaxation and lumbar support, it may not be as effective for individuals seeking intense pressure relief. Still, its thoughtful design and customization options make it a great value for everyday use. Taking the number 3 spot is the Shiatsu Massage Chair Pad by Ethereal Wellness. This versatile massage pad offers a full-body massage experience, targeting key areas such as the neck, shoulders, back, waist, and hips. It uses 3D Deep V kneading technology to mimic real hand-like movements, delivering effective muscle relief and reducing stress. Add in the heat and vibration functionalities, and you've got a product that's perfect for unwinding after a long day. The ergonomic design fits most chairs, and the included remote control makes it easy to customize your experience. With multiple massage modes and adjustable intensity and heat levels, this pad caters to a wide range of needs, whether you're looking for gentle relaxation or more focused relief. Plus, the free car adapter makes it a great option for road trips or long commutes. While the Shiatsu technology is a highlight, this product may feel limited compared to full-sized massage chairs, particularly for users seeking comprehensive support for larger areas of the body. Nevertheless, its portability and variety of features make it a strong contender for those who prioritize convenience and functionality. Coming in at number 2 is the Ataraxia Deluxe Portable Folding Massage Chair by Royal Massage. This chair is designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, offering a high-quality experience with its oil-resistant and waterproof synthetic leather construction. Built to last, its solid steel frame can support up to 650 pounds, making it one of the most durable options on the market. The chair is fully adjustable, allowing you to modify the seat height, armrests, and face cradle to accommodate different body types and preferences. The lightweight folding design makes it easy to transport, and the included carry case with a shoulder strap adds to its portability. Whether you're a traveling massage therapist or simply want a compact chair for home use, this product delivers on all fronts. The only downside is its lack of built-in massage functionality, as this is a chair meant for manual massage applications. If you're looking for a self-contained massage experience, this may not be the best fit. However, for those in need of a reliable and professional-grade chair, the Ataraxia Deluxe is an excellent choice. And finally, at the top of our list at number 1 is the Massage Gymlane Portable Massage Chair. This chair is the ultimate blend of ergonomic design, portability, and customization. Made with aircraft-grade aluminum and fiberglass-reinforced nylon parts, it's incredibly lightweight, yet robust, supporting up to 600 pounds. The exclusive multi-layer small-cell foam cushioning system ensures superior comfort for clients, whether you're using it for professional or personal purposes. What sets this chair apart is its versatility. The Infinity Adjustment System allows you to modify the face, arm, chest, and seat settings, and even includes detachable leg parts for users with knee pain or limited mobility. The chair folds compactly and comes with a luggage-style carry case with wheels, making transportation a breeze. With oil and waterproof PU leather, maintenance is simple and hassle-free. While it's priced at $624.13, the Gymlane's durability, lifetime warranty, and range of features make it a worthwhile investment for professionals. It's ideal for massage therapists, tattoo artists, or anyone in need of a high-performance portable chair. The only downside is its lack of motorized massage functions, but for manual applications, this chair is unbeatable. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.